Hello guys and welcome back. We got an amazing setup on Google stock right over here. I want to talk about Google. Okay, we have an amazing technical analysis aspect going on, and it is also lagging behind a lot. It's lagging behind Amazon, Microsoft, Nvidia, Apple, over 300 billion dollars behind Apple, and we're lagging behind a little bit because of the DOJ antitrust lawsuits. But then I'm going to be going over that in this video. We also have Google coming up with the quantum computer, very bullish news. And I think overall we're going to see a massive breakout starting tomorrow and for throughout rest of the month until January. So I'm very bullish on Google. Let's get started. If you guys enjoy content like this, just subscribe with notifications on and make sure to leave a like, and let's get started. So today I entered into a Google position on call. So I got 4 calls over here, already up a very nice amount. But if you guys want live buy and sell alerts, we just had a 100% gainer. This was over 250%. We're still holding one contract on Tesla, but if you guys want live buy and sell alerts, make sure to join the Discord over here. Link in the description. We have amazing setups going on over here. Okay, so let's get started here with Google. The first thing that I want to talk about is that it is really lagging behind Amazon and Apple and Nvidia and all of that. So this is a very nice website called Companies Market Cap, and we can see that Google is lagging behind Amazon with over 300 billion dollars. Okay, it is over 200 billion dollars, 300 billion dollars behind Amazon over here. If we take a look at Amazon stock has been very bullish. It has been running incredibly for the past couple days. It's up over 15%, the past week over here. If we take a look at something like Apple, Apple also just breaking through all-time highs. We had an amazing setup on Apple. Tesla also just breaking through, Meta breaking through all-time highs. So pretty much the overall trend is that all these tech stocks are breaking all-time highs, but Google is not. So Google is lagging behind, horribly right now. As we said, $300 billion. Now the reason it is lagging behind is because we had a DOJ antitrust lawsuit against Google. Now things like these kind of come and go, so just kind of stay, with it. We should be fine, with this lawsuit. But the more important news over here is with this quantum computer that is getting a lot of light, all over X, over 6.3 million views, and this is huge. What Google is working on is absolutely incredible. And even right now, I'm guessing Google stock is gonna gap up tomorrow, a percent at least, 1%, 2%. So let's get started in the chart over here. We have on the daily time frame. The first thing I want to take a look at, just remove my drawings and just get an overall vibe over here with Google. We had an uptrend, we had a pullback, we sort of have this cup and handle situation going on. We had this inverse head and shoulder, but we could see that, just removing all of the drawings, it looks very good for a momentum play to the upside over here. Now once I add these lines, we have this level of support, we have this resistance. We need to be above 175, 176. We need to close above. Even the past 4 days we have been doing this for Google. Now the interesting part here over here is the monthly time frame. To me, the monthly time frame looks absolutely incredible. Let's remove our drawings over here again. But we could see that for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months, Google has just been trading sideways. And we could see that Christmas, December, January, those are typically the most bullish for Q4, especially with earnings coming up, later in 2025. But we could see that the monthly time frame looks good because we have just been lagging behind horribly for Google, and I'm expecting a candle like this. Okay, some sort of candles like this. The current candle is very low, and that is why I got a month of time frame on my contract for Google calls. Okay, so 1 month is going to be the ideal. Let's get back into the daily time frame over here. let's get back here in the daily time frame. This is the resistance, or this is the expiration that I got. I'm gonna talk about the expiration of my contract in a second, but overall these are going to be our price targets over here. I'm gonna color this yellow for my number one price target, and then also color this blue over here. So this is going to be my second price target. So the conservative price target is going to be $181, and we can pretty much hit this even tomorrow. This is going to be a solid 3% move, I believe. Okay, so this is going to be around a 3% move. We can definitely, even tomorrow, we can get a move like this. If we can take a look at previous candlestick, this was a 2.4% candlestick, 1.5%, 1.7%. So even like 2 days, at least we can hit this target. So this is going to be our conservative price target, and that is going to be, $181. That is going to be a easy, 60% gain depending upon when we hit that for Google. Our second price target is going to be $190 if you decide to hold it to expiration. So if we get this breakout, we close above, I want to sell out half of my position at 181 and then leave my runners for $190 at all-time highs, and that is going to be like a solid, depending upon when we hit that, it's going to be a solid 150% gain on our call options. And the call options were pretty cheap. So if you scroll down over here, pretty cheap compared to like our Tesla options here, or even, Apple options. But, pretty cheap contracts we got in. Those are going to be our two price targets, 181 and 190 here for Google. So our stop loss is going to be, below. I would say if tomorrow, if we have a green day, we need to be above 176. Okay, so if we come back, if tomorrow we, gap up, we keep going for the level of target, I want to sell out half of my position, but my stop loss is going to be at break even. Okay, I want to keep my stop loss at break even, when we go up, when we start going up, and most likely tomorrow we are going to gap up. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe with notifications on. Trying to go for that 10,000 subscribers. And if you guys want to join the Discord, live buy and sell alerts, live trading, make sure to join the Discord link in the description, and see you guys later. Bye.